Good morning guys, to another day of Vlogmas. I am just getting some breakfast ready. We are having the Liberté Greek yogurt, which I flavor with vanilla and stevia for myself. And then I add some berries to it, as well as tiny bit of the granola. Also heating up last night's supper for kids' lunch today. So here's my breakfast, all made. My husband's on top of things and he took out our pork for dinner. We're having pork carnitas, and this is one of the freezer meals that I made a while back. I can link up the video so you can see. So easy dinner tonight. Seriously? What has gotten into him? Yeah, whatever. Say whatever. I love my Mac, but this kills me every time. I have to constantly redo my stuff and move it and all the stuff as I'm in the middle of the project. But I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm just editing right now. It's already midday. I think it's 1:30, so kids are in bed. But I have an outdoor challenge coming tomorrow. I have a Christmas tree dollar store decor, which was my challenge. So if you are looking for a challenge that you want to participate in, you still have till Saturday, and it is a Christmas dollar store Christmas tree challenge. A challenge is about decorating your Christmas tree with dollar store items. So I will link the video down below, up in the corner, so you can see what are the rules. There isn't that many, but I will link it up below. If you want to participate, I would be super happy if you did. So anyway, so that's coming out on Saturday, December 1st. Then home tour, my Christmas home tour will be up on Friday, this Friday. So that's what, November 30th. And then Christmas tree decor, which is part of another challenge. That one's going out on December 4th or 3rd. 4th, and then I have two more challenges. One will be December 3rd and one will be December 4th. So on the 4th, I'm thinking I might upload three videos because of the way the challenges had lined up with each other. But so, because I will be posting the Vlogmas videos on top of these. So I just thought I'd check in and show you what I'm up to. Plans for dinner. We are making pulled pork. Actually, I'm just going to use the meat for pulled pork because we forgot to buy tortillas. So, and I'm also making home fries. I'm making home fries and mixed salad with tomatoes, red onion, cucumber, and pepper. And I'm gonna add salt and pepper, oil and vinegar to that. And then I've got some lettuce because my husband and I are gonna wrap ours in the lettuce. Now I just wanted to show you this. We don't like sweet barbecue sauce, but this stuff is so delicious. It's not flaming hot. It does have a little bite to it, but it's not flaming hot. And it's, if you are doing low carb, it has no carbs, and for 1 teaspoon it has 25 calories if you're watching your calories. So it's a delicious, it's very buttery but delicious sauce. So not sure if it's available everywhere. We just got it at our local grocery store. So like I said, very good. So I'm gonna finish that. I'm going to bake again tonight, so I will tune in after. So I had some tea and now I'm getting ready to bake. I'm making squares. kind of a similar recipe to yesterday, but not really. So I'll walk you through all the ingredients. So I need some semi-sweet chocolate chip. It can be dark or milk chocolate. Some more of those biscuits, ground biscuits, or ground kind of like graham crackers, sugar, butter. I need hazelnuts, and so I have all the hazelnuts here. I need almonds, and then I also need cocoa powder and oil, and I'm gonna be putting them in here and lining it with parchment paper. So I grinded them all up. You can see it's pretty fine. Very similar process. I have melted the sugar in the water, so I'm bringing it to a simmer, and then I'm gonna turn it down and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So it had a chance to simmer, and now I'm gonna add butter. I am making a double batch, so that's why it seems like it's a lot of stuff. So I'm supposed to add all the nuts, the brown biscuits, or whatever you call these. And now I'm gonna add vanilla. I make my own vanilla, and I need to add 2 teaspoons. So good, and it's not even done. So I'm supposed to add 1/3 in here. I think that's about 1/3. I'm supposed to melt chocolate. So that's mixed. So I had pressed it in, made it as even as possible in all the corners, and I'm gonna add the rest of the mixture on top. To melt the rest of the chocolate with some oil. Now it has to go in a fridge and cool for 20 minutes. And then I'm supposed to cover it with, well, I'm supposed to set it aside to cool for 20 minutes and then cover with plastic and refrigerate overnight before I cut it up into squares and dust with cocoa powder. So I'm going to clean up now before I start making peanut butter squares. So the next recipe that I am going to work on is, actually you can find it on my blog, it's the peanut butter squares. So for peanut butter squares, I am using my KitchenAid mixer. It's the 7-quart one. And in there I have added some butter to cream. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of peanut butter and 1.5 cups of icing sugar. So now I'm adding 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. And then 250 grams of these biscuits, graham cracker thingies. Now while that's mixing, I'm going to line my baking pan with parchment paper. So it's done. Now I'm going to transfer it into here and bake it. So it's ready to go in the oven, and I'm going to bake it 15 to 20 minutes or until a clean toothpick comes out. So while that's baking, I'm going to clean up again. I'm not gonna take you long because it's just me washing dishes. And then when it's all done, I will melt the chocolate chips and some peanut butter. And I will spread it over the top and then let it cool and then put it in the fridge, and I will cut both of these up tomorrow. So looking at my cooking plan, actually, I just wanted to kind of go over it. So I did the bayadera, which is the squares that I just made, and coconut balls, which were supposed to be done on Sunday, and I did those. So yesterday the coconut balls and then the squares today. I did not do the shortbread, which were for today, because I'm part of a cookie exchange and I saw that there was shortbread on the list, so I'm not sure if I'm going to make shortbread yet. But I did peanut butter squares already. So I'm technically behind on reindeer poop, which I will probably make sometime maybe on Thursday. So I think I'm doing pretty good. Where are you going with that? Put it back.
It's all bad. I gotta throw it out. No, I'm gonna take it downstairs and throw it out.
Put it down. So that took about 1 hour and 15 minutes of baking, and I got a chance to clean my kitchen as well. So I'm just actually waiting for the peanut butter squares to finish. I have prepared the chocolate and peanut butter to melt. I'm not gonna melt it until the bars are done, and then I just have one dish and that one to wash, and that's it. So that wasn't that bad at all. And it's all done. It needs to cool off now. So I'm just over in my washroom. I'm about to have a bath and relax a little bit. I think I'm going to do a rose face mask mask from Fresh. It's infused with real rose petals, hydrates and tones. And I'm gonna do one of these, which is the aloe vera under eye pads. And in my bath, which is the last of my salts, it's bath salts from Basin. So, and I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm gonna have a bath, relax, and then go to sleep. So I'll see you all tomorrow.